Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another tutorial video. This video made for a new one site. Already this site stay in 1 week. So if you want to know this site, please stay with me and keep watching my video. First up, I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel News. The two part, one part crypto related video uploaded in this, other part travel related video uploaded in this. If you get any notification from my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will all receive very fastly. Okay, so I hope you will stay with me. And you can convert to your core hash card in my telegram group. So this related information I will include in my video description. So when you open my video, then you will get it. My telegram group name is BTS Satoshi Gift Cup Exchange. If you want to convert your hash card, please join me. Okay, I try to share. You can easily convert your BTS Satoshi card gift card exchange and increase your mining power. So now I go to my today topic. This site is USDT based mining site. Okay, so its on its name is USDT mining. Here is a free USDT mining available here in this site. So how to join this I will share with you. Next is their feature. Here is their home site. So already total user joining this site is 6,720. Total deposit also show here and total paid also show here. Already 27 is running of this day. So how to join this? So please click this option. There is a get a start, and you need to Tether wallet address. So how to get this? So you go to your wallet address. That is my wallet address. So click this deposit option and then select this USDT and find out this TRC Tron address. That is my TRC Tron address. So I also copy this. Okay, then I paste now. Again check this. Here is a Tron address. Okay, now click this option, start mining. My mining is started. So you can every day 0.20 is Tether daily profit in this and also you get 5 GS power in this free time. And here is a daily profit here, and profit detail is show here. Okay, 3 day, 10 day, 1 day and 1 week is also your. It's depend on your hash power. If you purchase your hash power, that you will be minimum 100 GS power is purchased in this day. So sorry, 10 equivalent not must be 100. So if you 100 GS per, you need to 20 USDT dollar needed, and you every day earn 4, and also 3 days 12, and 5 days 20. 1 week after you get 28, 8 days after 32. In 1 month you will easily benefit from this site, and you get 120 USDT per year in this state. It's totally calculation after this webinar. Okay, and into deposit, you can deposit easily process. So how to deposit? And here, so if you want to deposit in this site, you click this option. Okay, here is a deposit option, 100 GS. Okay, you need to TAC and buy now. Click this option and send this your and send this and copy now, and you go to your wallet address and send this this address, then it will be easily joining. And then when you confirm, it is automatically updated GS bar. Okay, so withdraw option, click this withdraw option. Sorry, make me deposit first, and you will be withdraw from this site. Okay, so you need to deposit in this site, and you can easily withdraw from this site. So it's not limited. When you deposit in this site, you will easily withdraw from this site. So that's the all information I share you in this site. So if you want to freely earning from this site, you can easily deposit now. Okay, so here is a all information here, how to how many income in this site, all is show here. So if you want to free mining in this site, here is it depend on totally is usability or staying. Okay, so I hope if you want to more earning, you can deposit. So many of the people already withdraw from this site. Okay, thank you. I will to share you, and I will be back to you for every day, inshallah. So and back for your more earning from this site. So I request you, please stay with me, and also keep watching my video. Don't forget thumbs up. Okay, and join us and keep mining in this site. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.